Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Today I will explain to you the pros and cons of affiliate marketing, and you can see for yourself if you will like to try it out. Please stay till the end of the video where we will also share with you some tips on how to succeed in affiliate marketing. First, we will look at the pros of affiliate marketing. 1. Low cost. Affiliate marketing is a low-cost way to start a business. You don't need to invest in inventory or product development. All you need is a website or blog and a way to drive traffic to it. 2. Passive income. Once you set up your affiliate marketing business, you can earn income passively. This means that you can make money even when you're not actively working. 3. Flexibility. Affiliate marketing is a flexible business model. You can work from anywhere and set your own hours. 4. Potential for high earnings. If you're successful in affiliate marketing, you can earn a significant amount of money. Some affiliate marketers earn six-figure incomes. 5. No inventory or product liability. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to worry about carrying inventory or dealing with product liability. This can save you a lot of time and money. 6. Access to a large pool of potential customers. Affiliate marketers have access to a large pool of potential customers through the affiliate programs they sign up for. This can help you to reach a wider audience and generate more sales. 7. Low risk. Affiliate marketing is a low-risk business model. You don't have to invest any money up front, and you only earn money when you make a sale. This makes it a great option for people who are looking to start a business with little risk. 8. Scalability. Affiliate marketing is a scalable business model. You can earn more money by promoting more products or services, or by driving more traffic to your website or blog. 9. No need to create your own products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to create your own products or services. You can promote the products and services of other businesses, which can save you a lot of time and effort. 10. No need to worry about customer service. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to worry about customer service. The company you are promoting will handle all customer service issues. 11. You can promote products or services that you believe in. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products or services that you believe in. This can make your marketing more effective and enjoyable. 12. You can work with a variety of companies. There are many different affiliate programs available, so you can work with companies that are a good fit for your niche and audience. 13. You can learn new things. Affiliate marketing can help you learn new things about marketing, business, and technology. This can be a valuable asset in your career and personal life. 14. You can meet new people. Affiliate marketing can help you meet new people who are interested in the same things as you. This can lead to new friendships, business opportunities, and learning experiences. 15. You can work from home. Affiliate marketing is a great way to work from home. This can be a great option for people who want to have more flexibility and control over their work life. 16. You can start today. You don't need to wait to start an affiliate marketing business. You can start today by choosing a niche, finding products or services to promote, and creating content. Now let's look at the cons of affiliate marketing. 1. High competition. Affiliate marketing is a competitive industry. There are many other people trying to make money through affiliate marketing. This means that you need to find a way to stand out from the crowd. 2. Lack of control. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have control over the products or services you promote. This means that you're at the mercy of the product or service provider. If the product or service is not good, it could reflect poorly on you. 3. Lack of security. It's important to do your research before you sign up for any affiliate marketing program. 4. Time commitment. Affiliate marketing can take a lot of time to be successful. You need to create content, promote products or services, and build an audience. This can take a lot of time and effort. 5. Money commitment. Affiliate marketing can also be a money commitment. You need to invest in a website or blog, and you may need to invest in marketing and advertising. 6. Technical skills. Affiliate marketing can require some technical skills. You may need to know how to create a website or blog, and you may need to know how to use social media marketing tools. 7. No guarantee of success. There is no guarantee of success in affiliate marketing. You may work hard and not see results. It's important to be realistic about your expectations. 8. Low commissions. Affiliate commissions can be low. You may only earn a few cents or dollars for every sale you make. This means that you need to generate a lot of traffic to your website or blog in order to make a decent income. 9. It's difficult to convert visitors into customers. Even if you get traffic to your website or blog, it's still difficult to convert visitors into customers. You need to create a compelling sales message and you need to offer a good value proposition. Now I will also share with you some tips on how to succeed in affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche. The first step to succeeding in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche. This is the area of interest that you will be promoting products or services in. It is important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that you have some knowledge of. This will make it easier for you to create content and promote products or services that your audience will be interested in. 2. Find high-quality products or services to promote. Once you have chosen a niche, you need to find high-quality products or services to promote. It is important to choose products or services that you believe in and that you think your audience will benefit from. You should also make sure that the products or services you promote are well-known and reputable. 3. Create compelling content. The best way to promote products or services is to create compelling content. This could include blog posts, articles, videos, or social media posts. Your content should be informative and engaging, and it should provide value to your audience. 4. Build an audience. In order to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to build an audience. This means creating a following of people who are interested in the products or services you promote. You can build an audience by creating content, participating in online forums, and networking with other people in your niche. 5. Drive traffic to your content. Once you have created content, you need to drive traffic to it. This can be done through social media, search engine optimization, and paid advertising. The more traffic you can drive to your content, the more likely you are to generate leads and sales. 6. Track your results. It is important to track your results so that you can see what is working and what is not. You can track your results using Google Analytics or another analytics tool. This will help you to optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns and improve your results. I hope this helps you to make a better decision today as to whether to try out affiliate marketing. Let me know in our comments section below what you think of affiliate marketing. Please remember to click on like and subscribe. After you have subscribed, please leave a comment in the comments section below and I will try to reply to your comments. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.